they happy say that kind of woman don't come up for my life. If I relax for 1 year, I go get myself back when I lost for 6 years. So I mean invite all of us, say anything when I want to, I can't talk. Whether na good or I can't talk. Whether na bad or I can't talk. Till today I don't know the age of my wife. We don't fight for age, Joe. Till today I talk now. Me at the high something. I talk for one video now. When you do naming ceremony, I say, anyway, I don't know your age. The one where you tell me we are celebrating it, because the one where you tell me na passport age, you say go no. In younger brother, when you seen the other 2 times, I saw one passport when you do. The same age. Now my wife said put for passport the same year. Now I can't say, I know this is not your age compared to how you look and many people when you senior. But see now your brother when they South Africa, passport when you keep for your house when you expire, how not can be the same year? He say now your brother out there for make mistake, not be her own mistake. He use that to expire now. I don't know my wife age till today. Oh. We don't quarrel for age. Oh, I don't announce on social media say I don't know my wife age. Not talk. I don't know my wife age till today. I don't know my wife age. So that is it. I don't know her age. Oh. You know they get juju when they swear. If they say can't swear that you go cheat, is different. If you go kill anybody for family, if you kill your husband, she actually tried to kill me, but she not fit. So she refused to swear because maybe now so if I take the Igalama. So Benedict Benson, now you are the talk to. He say I support her for not swearing juju. Me, I cannot swear juju for any man. I rather remain. Nobody no go swear that juju. Even when you as a Christian, they'll say if you go say may you kill your husband or kill anybody for family, you go run swear. Now if they say if you go say may you cheat or if you are cheating, now you will not go swear. Like she cheated the one I know today now. I don't know the rest when do for anywhere. So now that one I know me too, I not go swear for woman say if I go cheat. Because me, I already know I've married many women, even though I never start. So, make una ask my wife, say, where Igalama from come? What happened to the Igalama? How she can't get her money? And Wetin don't use the money do? As a millionaire, I may tell you now one thing. Say, one thing, madam, at least now see my houses. I build all those houses. I finish one, they build the second one before I marry and put for house. And he tried to make sure, say, finish my money, make I not build that. Say, wait, it's not possible. And I can't quarrel, they chat for people, they tell people. And one day I see say motor stop. Say, support me with 300 bags of cement. Guess what? The 300 bags of cement, they not use reach 20. What really happened that time, whether na COVID-19? Before cement when not stay reach 1 month for house, people come make the can start work. The whole cement cake. Cement cake. I have to call Kuye. Kuye now quickly rush to come and auction the cement. They auction all the cement. Cement not enter my house. So auction, I will auction cement cake. Ask my wife whether cement will bring for me no cake. In less than 1 month, the whole cement cake like stone. They not use reach 20 bags inside. The whole cement cake. I beg and don't add any of your money to my property. Added 300 bags of cement. I video it. Like you see the video. I say, see, waiting my wife bring go. Surprise me. I not say me do more. I call my other brother. I say, see my immediate other brother. I say, see you. That one can say make I write the amount down in the future. Since I say I know matter, make I return the money to them. But as they don't bring the cement, now make I not let them return the cement. Now my brother when the police can advise me, I can't write down that much they sell at that time. But you not reach 1 month, the whole cement cake, I know you use reach 20 bag. They all showing it. What are you talking about? Whether broad money or spirit money? Ask my wife, Wetin use 1 naira do for her money? Anywhere put money, probably go there. I go post all conversation. If you see them my phone, the money where they drop people, you hear $150,000, $100,000, and they carry wrong. All the money when it thief, I don't know where get the money from the ex-husband. Everything enter trash. I don't know when he do the business, but now me can't they draw the money. We not recover anyone. Now only $5,000 one is Shola when he did for America return to $5,000 2 years ago. Her case there for it up everyone waited they look for people who carry her money. You know, use that money, do one better, you know, buy land. You want carry one person die, you carry money. See, spirit they sleep. The man was appearing to her. She was going from native daughter to other until the man come they appear to me when I want marry and before now me can't solve the problem. But as we solve the problem, or anything when my wife use that money do still they get property tomorrow. Motor still they spoil. Engine, motor will knock engine. Motor still they knock engine. Now so engine all the motor they knock, you know they get another fault. You go knock engine paka. You get what I mean? So I'm gonna go my page now. We'll see tire now. We'll tire now. We'll talk tire. She be now one blog. Now go insult me tire self. You can never start with her. I never start with her. Now after I don't list if you now will come they insult me say don't do. I will post the video. I don't got anything to hide. Any day I want to enter society at the answer. I even go video for inside Ogboni house when they come say make I not try. I not get secret. If she get my secret, make she post her. I talk on this morning say I want to marry one of the house when we carry. I not get secret. I they do waiting. I know say if they catch me, I know will get shame. I know say the right thing I do. Not be underage, not be anything I approach. I not get secret. But if you try to mess up with me, I know will disgrace you. Now waiting you do, I will bring on my side. So now you go know say waiting you do whether na shameful thing or na correct thing. Now waiting I know say do when I get you, I will bring on my side for you. Now you go they judge yourself and your gullible fans say but you do why you will bring her come outside. So if to say my wife succeed to put me for prison today now, you can't carry this small boy they knock am for my house when I suffer by. Now they crap hand. Now they crap hand. My wife never say 6 months for abroad. You get the guts to call me police because I caught them. I never even reach as I caught them on camera. Now then they know say they don't feel proven. And then my wife can run call police to kick me out of the house. This woman. I will so bury your secret with evidence. How you take put all your family member for police? Time never reach when they get that rank when they get. The man when you friend, the retired IG when you friend, they put almost all your community for police. Whether the hero, Mikey Hero. What is the connection between you, Mikey Hero, IG? I will call many big men, big police, your international show when you do. Not be small show that they do for this Europe. You see some people say, I not go come Europe, come do a show, but Nigeria will not say they bring money if you do it in a big way. Mikey Hero, what is your connection between Mikey Hero? I'll come in leg business, no way they sell motor again. One man when they sell motor, I don't want to call wrong name. The motor when dash my wife, na tear rubber, Toyota I asked my wife still they use that. You know use one buy and one man, one popular Edo man, when Osaromore they sing. I will remember his name. They not do business. International shower for Nigeria. Brand new motor. For that 2008, that and 1988 Dashan, tear rubber. I can call 10 big men name. You get the one when I'll call, I'll say na lie. Plus that one, you don't already get money. You know, so who get money, young girl when get money can go and meet big men. That one when buy your husband. When you get money, you carry money, come Lagos, come go they buy motor. You must know be big men. Nah, what do you mean? As you small, when you yellow student, come they sell car motor. Now IG when one buy motor, they go enter say once the motor you see small girl, they say no, not be you, call your director or manager. You will say no, na me they sell motor. Now so it take big man after they buy in husband carry money come Lagos, come they buy motor. Big man must know you now. That man when dash a motor, the man say they sell motor, but no, not dash a motor because they sell motor. Dash am because he dey friend am. Now through the opportunity, say if I get money, can't get money. Now big man they know my S. Big man I they know. If not be say police they retire, no police when my wife no know for this Nigeria when it big. But all of them don't retire. She said no can they get money and they don't see the face what they see before. That shower again and again. My oga friend you, me second become I just see friend you, and I see come on my boy because I you friend, boy to master. They don't tire, you don't they old, you don't lose shape. So the money say not even come day. Business said they fold, do they thief you, they thief you. You can't they remain. And not be say I still know you as a poor woman. Because I came for my brother, I came with money. I still know you because I'm a big man, I can enter that office. That is me and you still know. So you are a big woman that do a shower with big men. So nobody will feel confess say know you because not be poor people you friends. So your wife cannot come and disgrace the husband. And they know will catch you now office to hotel, office to office. So say now poor person you friend now or person like me now when be say I dey street, I dey into everything, I dey into big man, I dey into poor, I dey into native doctor. Now only me shame will let them come talk. No big man when will come talk say that woman when they talk for social media, a friend Anna. Which big man want talk down? AIG will come talk down scatter in house. My wife will tap her chest. Say, if you have ever seen me with any man, that is why I'm confronting women. Nobody. Person when from Benue State come Lagos, become rich and befriending big man. Now big man will come confess and not be because person like me, not be me will fit talk. You go say if you know I'm a decent woman, you are not decent, but big man cannot talk. Big man cannot talk now. My wife international shower, big man cannot talk now. You dey tap chest for women for social media. Say if because you are saying it because you are decent. Me when you put you for, I know say you're not decent. I never catch you red-handed. Now you make me put camera for everywhere. But the one I catch, I don't see say pennies enter. And you they beg. I know will feel publisher. You will they beg, your family will they beg. But I can tell you vividly with names, since you did my house, I almost catch you, but we know say yes, if you not see and direct, but something happen with it will happen now. Then I'm accountable. I say you are not fit to be doing human rights. Let me tell people who you are. You go beg. After you say you agree, make I marry any wife, provided I leave you for the marriage. I say, now, like, now who you want kill, now you define, because you will want buy the woman when I say I want marry. I don't want marry. I say, if I want marry self, I don't even want marry put for another outside until you come up before I marry. He will say, he give me permit to marry, but make I leave my inside the marriage. So, when Messiah say will happen, he say, okay, no problem. Make himself see go do her own. I say, what? So he say I want calm down, saying don't catch me, say make we they do. I say, what? I dey Holland. He just say, no. Don't worry, me say we'll go do. He will go see fuck man. I say, what? Abomination, I can't spark. He thinks I want calm down, I can't spark. Now my wife take calm down. My wife be don't settle and say, no problem. If she said go do. That means now I'll just leave and make the carry man. I say I get secret, say no talk, she be the catch you. Now I come down my wife. Now I take her. That's why he say during time of Messiah Fise, I will come and they insult my wife. People they say, why your wife side you they insult her. They don't understand. I want her to go and she wanted to use Messiah Fise. I will say no problem. Make her they do, make she they do. I say, is something wrong with you? Say what you because I don't want to talk. Messiah Fise was my girlfriend. My wife no let me talk. He hold my mouth. We go police station. Say, I don't wish that police something. I say, no, this girl are my girlfriend. And because her character, I can't see Messiah Fise character say, this character when Messiah Fise get, he never enter as he they fight my wife. Both on phone and everything, they condemn my wife. And Messiah Fise lied to me. I thought na lied to me. He say, my wife go one office when be saying my wife boyfriend. I can't think say, okay, Messiah Fise want to destroy my wife. Best when I never marry. Now converse, I no friend again. That make service secretary they spoil my name for social media. No, he can't they use person they want tarnish my image. Now converse come out and say, "Mona no mind am. Say na husband and wife issue. I not do again." And to God who create me this night, my service na my girlfriend. We do the do, and the evidence there. Okay, the girl come outside say we not do. Say I want do. I tell my wife, say, I want confess. I confess to my wife, say, because I know they hide. I tell my wife the truth. I say, I want confess. You know, say I did for a brother. I say, I want talk when I reach house. Now, my wife no let me talk. Oh, he carry me go Alagmo police station, made them do like that. I say, no, but the truth. It's only the truth that will make people understand. No need to do case. Nothing. My wife even use police threaten me when I reach Alagmo police. If you talk, they will put you for jail. Now, rape. I say, I take be rape. The father is aware, the evidence is there, the chat is there. I call the father. The father say the husband, they not be better husband, say they not do what they do for husband and wife, say they don't separate the both family. So I say, okay, because I know one friend person wife, because they say now they forbid something. I say, I like your daughter like me. If Papa give us go ahead. Me and Messi and said we were friendly, but when I see the way they attack my wife from my side, the one make I just come her hotel when they make her not go home that day. I say, for what? This woman never come my house. He don't they ride my wife, ride everybody. Now I verse. And myself he said, come they threaten me, say, even for threaten me, say, get my nude picture. I look and say, enough you get my nude picture. If you get my nude picture, I even get hotel when you can't greet me. And now you take can't greet me for her. So it will be 50-50 and not rape you. And my wife spoiled that case for my hand, just to make sure I get bad name. That's why you see how they deal with my wife. When my service case, they instead make her they talk, how they insult my wife because now he spoil the case for my so that he will feel home me, make her for the shame, make her for not feel the talk for public, can't spoil the case of Mr. Fisher for my house. Even when I go in those states, make her go swear Ayelala for Mr. Fisher. My wife can't cause trouble, they don't let me swear for Mr. Fisher. Because Juju catch Mr. Fisher, we can't confess. My wife want to make my name spoil. He can't cause trouble for where I want to swear Juju for Ikaro, for Ifon. Trouble can't come. Nowhere when I don't know where trouble will come, that they will not come swear. When I say make I talk, I will talk for 6 years. So make una tell me service and I say make him come swear Juju. Or may go call me for Juju. If we not be boyfriend and my friend. And I wanted to take her very serious. Not be say hiding. I promise my service, I'm not going to hide you for anybody so long your father has confirmed it. Come. She not come. And my wife spoiled that case so that they would think say I do. You know, let me come out, I can't talk. He carry me go Alagmo police, come they threaten me. Bribe all the police. I reach all the police, they threaten me. Ah, you want to confess? You will go jail. You want to confess? You will go jail. He get one woman, Choma Juwan. He carry me the case, go Choma Juwan, he call her friend. Her younger brother and I be one married Choma Juwan. They come they threaten me. Ah, no, don't try it, oh. Don't try it. Ah, if you try it, na prison, oh. I said, prison? We friend, na friend. Evidence day, audio day. Police come they threaten me. She don't go bribe all the BB police. They come they threaten me. Now so he want make I for no fit talk for life, make I for the shame. Messi Afisa, I can't close my Messi Afisa case, can't shop me. I can't they cry. Say, ah, this is not reach anything. I not be just to come outside talk the truth with evidence. You get what I mean? A woman who came to almost destroy me to an extent, what somebody like against me for when I for come public, he not let me talk. So that he will be like, say, I get shameful thing when they hold me, say, you know now, they shame. Ah, can I be ashamed? I cannot be ashamed for what did not happen. The evidence are there. I am saying it because I don't want any family. People may think I'm going too far. I don't want any family born of a woman, both from her side and my side, saying a settlement. So they will know I have gone too far, that their sister may not be safe, this settlement will not work, that this kind of talk that come out from my mouth will not make two people live together forever. I am so happy. I will go deeper, so that even her family never call since they watch her for Facebook. They know say don't pass Garina. Then they call, they do everything. They carry my name waka. So why I'm going far, the way they not call now like before, they no will call, they no say you don't go far, and then they beg like say their sister they useless. So those are they cannot, both my side and her side cannot call for anything. They will know that the extent I have gone is not repairable. It's beyond repair. I am not sick. I didn't taste drink. I have my water here. But I am so happy. I want to say something that will make death go far from me. No, is beyond repair. Wetin hold my man when not let me talk, since I don't refresh the case now. Make una find myself, say, see wetin I talk. They get strong juju for their praise when they swear. Now my wife take that thing, destroy me. Don't let me talk. Carry me go Alagbon like say one go do case. All the police come they tell me, threaten me. So that he go feel hold me like houseboy, make I say I get wetin I commit. I never told my wife I am not going to marry two women. Now she just did there. I talk her for public. You are an idiot. I did show video. I did look for wife. I did not cheat. I look for a second wife, not even second wife, so that she took feel go. If she not go, she go dead there. My relationship with Mr. Afisa is supposed to lead to marriage, not be say hide and fuck. But I find that she self, I said people from that state, their head not correct. How would I be worse than my wife when I stop, when she not agree say I stop? I was not friendly Mr. Afisa in hiding. She was coming to my house. She was coming to my house. Did not friend her in hiding. It was a friend. It was not like a one night stand. But I stopped because she's like worse than my wife. I never cheated on my ex-wife. She knows she was just there and permitting me to marry another woman, provided I leave. I said, no, you are not the one permitting me. I know I want to marry another woman. I can't rush. In December, she went and brought an old woman of their old tribe. Say, if now by sleep, I say, they hungry, make I sleep with the woman. It's not a problem. The woman came to our house and not sleep with her. The woman was coming, the woman come with another woman again. I said, Wetin is going on here? What is your plan between this woman? Then I refused. I just gave whether 100,000 to the woman in her presence. She was angry. Say, why is it 100,000? It was too much. I don't want to call the woman name. I just give her, says, no. I work out commode. She's ready to give me a woman, provided I leave her in the marriage. She's ready to give me want to suggest a woman I want to marry, still for their praise. I say, nah, lie. You can't marry for me, and I'm not going to marry any Benue person. So that one lasts for another year, or say, now he will bring woman for me when I marry, not be me will marry woman by myself. Then this Christmas when I go, he brought her friend for me to sleep with. The woman came, he was still the camera, and the woman come with somebody. I say, I don't understand, is this set up or what? I say, no. I now went on my own and carry my girlfriend and go inside her that same day. I carry my girlfriend for Lagos. I call her Cape. I go inside that same day. I slept with the woman. Then she was angry because my boys they just say, you want fight, you want do this one. I say, nah, lie. If you fight this woman, I will tell this woman to bring load to my house today. So what do you mean by cheating? Is that what they call cheating? A woman don't want to go by all means, and he want to give you woman, he want to give you girlfriend, want to give you people that will gather together and kill you and share your property. Let my wife come and talk. Now I will call the woman name. Now I will send the account when I take transfer 100,000. I will print her out now. I'm gonna enter house. Make that woman will call police for me. Make me open my mouth. I will open her like basket mouth. You call police for me to take my house to send me to prison. I will open my mouth with evidence. The money, the December when I send the woman when you bring, make I sleep with Benue woman. I not agree sleep with her again. I send her 100,000. I will print her mouth. I will post her here. She ever come outside to say na lie. I will post her here the day now. She say I did Nigeria. Now a day to I take come back here. I will post her. I know myself. I dey try avoid danger because I know say they now set up to kill me or to useless me. I dey avoid any woman when want breathe for me. Now I will choose by myself. So I don't cheat. I'm a chief and I want to marry more. I don't cheat. I'm a big man, not being the sponsor me. How can a big man hide, go hotel, go to sleep when I have mansion, when I have palace? Make that woman come open her thinking mouth. I will be bringing something with evidence. I will be bringing something. I'm not a good man, but I kept quiet. She arrested me to take me out of my house and become the owner of the house in abroad because you are bird of the same feather. I said that woman, how you take get money, I don't start now. All the woman when don't breathe for me, say I want bring woman for you to marry Jonah. I know them. The one when breathe for December, say me I sleep with, of her age mate, kind of. I give her 100,000, no agree sleep with her. That's the day now I carry my girlfriend come. Nakan. Shame, no let her keep quiet. He can't rake for my boy, say, he go deal with the guy, he go deal with me. Now I say, okay, this guy is going to bring a load to the house. He can't beg. What are you saying? Very useless woman. You old and useless. You are not responsible, but you are doing social media. Anytime you do social media, you pay me. Say, now this woman, they advise people. You all they maintain, they keep quiet. Say, this woman home not settled now. This woman not pure in anything. Not be character, arrogant, everything. I shower everything, follow and say, no. Even so your past life say, nah, no. I never catch you with around there for my heart, but almost people will still blame you and say how it reach there. But today, what you go do for inside room? You go see explain. How you take get your money, you still explain. If you not be widow, you go still explain. If as the man die, what happened to the man money when you carry come Lagos, you go still explain. Now you got la man, you go still explain. If spirit not pursue you for years until I met you, the Galama spirit where you carry money pursue you to the extent the man they appear to me like saying a movie. If not me solve that problem, you go still explain. You know, say only juju at the fear, you go come me for juju, make we go swear on. You came to abroad, all I have done to scatter my life. I will make sure I open your nyash, they open my own. You know pure. Kento with a corporate brat nyash. You know pure. Messi a case, a case, you use and rap me. I keep quiet. You make me be like who do shameful thing. For my old girlfriend, when I be 15, I will even marry again. I can't be like say I be bad person for the whole world. I still bear am for you, whether I respect I be, I don't know what happen. Now take you to abroad. You want to kick me out of my house and call me, make I day prison. Not be even to kick out, I'll day prison by now. Then you are the ucho now they do kele wa, which is not even any of my problem. Who now when they decide that will cry tired, because anything they talk now with evidence, will they pay now. Bed of the same father, will they pay now. Will they pay now? It go they pay now die. Whether I talk like this since all this, even though I talk surface. Now I want to send me to prison and take my house. If to say, we see where God for help me. If to say quick me reach out before police, come in and Uche for say yes, now true, he carry knife or he carry gun, no, there will be a witness. But police they might have before I come from work. Police are confused. The man when you say one kill Luna. The man not there, just they come for work. And as I just they do video, they come before I reach my house as if I know what happen. Now it be God when he saved me today. Even though she not fit take my house, at least therefore lock me up. Shower, you not be a shower couple, you be a shower million. Mike Ohiro. How you are Mike Ohiro, they know? Mike Inegbe say I want check and whether I make a no lie. When I give you pound Toyota Yaris. Not be motor na do na international shall you know say when big man friending big woman. If friends so they not see any reason to marry, no gain. It's say there is no gain in marriage. All the friend big man they go. But you no get land. My wife no get land. Ask I bet me post in land. Say this is my land. Maybe we see of or surveyor. Make my wife post her land. Me post her land for her page, even though not fake. Me post now with fake CFO or surveillance or survey. Person when say spend million who. 2 million not be millions. House when you did since 6-7 years. Wetin you don't spend, whether food or anything safe. Not supposed to reach 2 million by now. 1 million per 1 million not be 2. So, but you will still show me example where you can spend money. I want to know. The one I 250, 240, one I just sent, remaining to balance the 40. It's a few days ago, a week ago. Now, me still they spend money. Now, 2.something million I take buy ticket for you to come abroad. The ticket is there. 200,000. Any amount now they send to your account to feed only you. If I did Nigeria, not did Nigeria. Sometimes 500 or more in a month. I know ask how it Wetin they can do. That's why they send money to all her family, all of them. Even the one when still graduate for Zaria just now, their grandchildren, their grandchild, when he put say in son one time. How much I take sponsor my wife go whether Kaduna, Zaria come back and still send hundreds of thousands to the person to say congratulations. That's why they spend money for all of them, including the mama burial when I do and everything. Now let us talk, because if we talk, so we can't talk reach your mama burial, talk reach everything, talk, we talk, so me to go tire, we can't they talk, we can't they talk. Because now you pinch me, you call police to send me to jail. I don't know where these evil people, some of evil people here understand the meaning. That my ex-wife put an allegation in my head of I wanted to kill her and the man so that two of them can bear witness. And I know they have. Police came here today more than 22, send me to prison so that they'll tell her stay. No, in that surprise, they're not telling us. Police asked me certain questions. My wife don't have paper, it's not living here, it doesn't have income. Police come and say, please, they will take her and the children to hotel to go and rest for me to calm down, say they will be back. I said, police, no. I don't want my wife here. Now me can't send her out. Now me can't send my wife away. She called police to take over me. I can't send her out. Police can't accept my sending her out. Una did the one they told police, say, me carry out the bag. He said, but police, you told me take few things. I said, no, you're not coming back here. Police now say, okay, they will come another day with my wife to come and pick you. I say, you must call me when you are here. I don't change my key today. Not be me send my wife out. Now me can't send her out. Awele. The thing turn. I turn her. Wanted to send me out. I can't send her out. If you like, me go use my children and get paper. I don't give her direct. But now me can't send her out. So now I forgive person when want send me to prison after I spend millions. This house when I come buy for this village, I'm not supposed to buy. I buy because of my children. And I'm going to replace it to market. I will go back to my one room, make my money and come back to Nigeria. I bought house, I bought everything, I do everything. You are living like Dangote in abroad, and they use €120 they buy different type of fruit just for 1 week. Not every other thing. I have never put reasonable money in my account since June. But I know how much I put in my account every month before she came. I was cloth when I buy for my children, two cloth when I buy, even winter cloth alone. It's over 3,000 views. Then other small different cloth. It's over 4,000 views. If I've never bought cloth for these two people, both the one online, both in the one I'm buying in the shop, at least I've used up to 6,000 to buy just cloth for my children. So the woman want to send me to prison, devil people, because I have enemy, of course you have to. A woman want to send me to prison and take off my property. I'm not sure, say some evil people understand. But that my talking is not a problem. I never talk. I'm talking with everyone. My wife knows say I dey fear juju. Say there if I not feel like because of juju. May they call me for juju. I will so talk and everything are true. I dey mention name. Oh. I don't mention Mikey Hero, the SIG. I don't measure, I will confirm that I'm a gay, but I know say na Mikey neck been something like that. I give my wife tear up by still they use I think they are pricing it now. She want to sell it because as we born, we want use one better motor to take carry children, take the carry, but if they don't put that one for market, I still get the picture and they never buy it.